and went around the constituencies, we are having a very hard start. The conditions are actually worse than what we are saying. In terms of teachers, infrastructure for classrooms, now laboratories. So my question to the CS is, can we have in every constituency what the plans are for the number of junior secondaries that are there this time, and those ones we can count, the ones that are coming next year, and two, can we have the number of classrooms that are actually expected in the junior secondary, and three, are we going to have laboratories or workshops in junior secondary? That one, there is no clarity whether we are going to have laboratories or workshops. And whatever it is, can we also have that, so that when we plan with CDF, we actually fall in place with your sub-county directors of education, so that there is some harmony on how we use our CDF to support the junior secondary program. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Waziri.
Thank you very much, Honorable Nyikar. We have made it clear that we require laboratories in the junior secondary schools. And that's why we are having the engagement with World Bank, and also requesting the honorable members of parliament in your respective constituencies to prioritize constructing laboratories, because what we will do this coming financial year is 40%